Good morning. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce. And today on Faces of Commerce, we're talking about maintenance, home maintenance to be exact. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Matt Buchine. With MAD Maintenance, we do all sorts of different types of maintenance on your home, from the very simple jobs all the way up to renovations and restorations. And one of the things I wanted to showcase today was our second homeowners and the home check-ins we do. So a lot of times we do have a storm, things like that, and you're worried about your property. We go in, we check on your home, we take a look at the property, and also on an ongoing basis checking your property, making sure everything's running properly. And when you go to visit, you can just step into your home and you don't really have to worry about maintenance-y issues. The other thing that we do is the home inspection. So this is a maintenance inspection, similar to the home inspections you've got when you purchase your home. But this is an ongoing maintenance inspection that you do once a year, and it just gives you kind of like, what's the health of my home look like? What are the things that need to be addressed right now? What are the things that might become a problem? And what are the things that can wait a little bit, that aren't a problem yet, that I should kind of keep on the back burner just in case? And then what are the really good things about my house that, and then you can kind of, you don't have to worry about these things just popping up and, this just came up, what do I do? You can have a plan. So we kind of give you an actionable plan to look at. And both these programs are available through MAD Maintenance.
So how do people get in touch with you?
So they can go to the website. It's www.madmaintenancellc.com. And when you go to the page, there's a place you can go to fill out an estimate. And then we get your information. We get right back to you usually within 24 hours. And then you can also email info@mad-maintenance.com. Or you can call, and the phone number is 910-477-8499.
So how did you get into this business?
So in 2009, I bought my first property and started doing maintenance on my property. And so I started learning a lot about maintenance and reconstruction. When I was a kid, my brother and I used to build things together. We used to build little forts and things like that. But just after COVID, I was working as a personal trainer, strength coach, and COVID kind of disrupted that industry. And so one of my clients had a development company and hired me to work in his development company. And so working with a master carpenter, I honed those skills that I'd already had. And then it seemed necessarily like I didn't like traveling as far as I was traveling for work. And so I wanted to stay more in the small town that I was in. And so I started my own company about 3-4 years ago. And I've been doing that ever since. And now I'm doing a lot more GC work, still do tile and flooring jobs and things of that nature. But really it's kind of managing all the maintenance of the properties. So when you hire somebody, especially if you're a second homeowner, and you're trying to figure out, like, did they do a good job? I'm not there, I can't oversee that. We oversee that work for you. We find the right people. We're kind of in the community and figuring all that stuff out. And it's the same thing for people that it's their primary home. They're like, I'm not really sure who to look for this particular type of work. So we do all that legwork for you and bring it all together.
That sounds wonderful. And I know the plan that you put together is really so vital for budgeting.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
There's no surprises. Well, there might be a surprise, but it limits the surprises.
Right, yeah, you can kind of put that into your budget and save for that particular project and then get that done when it's needed. And then knowing what like ongoing maintenance for your property, especially new homeowners, just getting that and maybe going over what you got for an inspection report, like what does that look like? What are the things that I really need to do right now ongoing to keep my home healthy? So we can do that also.
That's great. Again, your telephone number is?
Telephone number is 910-477-8499.
Website?
That's my name. Website is www.madmaintenancellc.com.
Well, we appreciate you being on Faces of Commerce today and encourage anyone that's out there looking to to hire somebody to look after their home and tell you some really good information for budgeting purpose, I encourage you to call Mad Maintenance LLC. Thank you.
Thank you very much.